What's up, America? It's your boy Ice-T. And if you know me, you know I love my cars. No matter how much I love them, I know they're gonna break down. And that's why I protect my babies with CarShield. I know a car out of warranty means repairs are going to be expensive. And CarShield helps get those repairs covered so I don't have to. And they can do the same for you. It's that simple.
My last repair on my car was a big one. My transmission went, and thanks to CarShield, it was covered.
It's imperative that I have a car that works so I can be on time every day, and CarShield helps me with that.
Filing claims easy when you've got coverage through CarShield. Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, where they can help you find a repair shop near you.
If you're into throwing money away, hey, I guess do your thing. But if you're like me and millions of other people who don't want to get stuck with expensive repair bills, then call CarShield. I trust them with my car, and you should too.
CarShield has coverage for most makes and models from 5,000 to 150,000 miles.
If your car broke down, could you afford thousands and thousands of dollars to fix your engine, transmission, or computer system? Most people would say no.
I've experienced it. I've seen it. Call CarShield today. Call CarShield right now.
It's not like the old days when you could fix anything with a wrench and a screwdriver. Now you need to be a rocket scientist. And when your check engine light comes on, well, that's game over. So show your car some love and give it the protection it deserves from CarShield. Tell them Ice-T sent you. And remember, CarShield cars go farther.
Get protection now against expensive auto repairs. Call CarShield for a free protection plan quote. Once your car breaks down, it's too late. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.